Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Miss Cherries and thank you for clicking this video. So today I will be doing first impressions of these new products from Huda or from her another brand named N.Y.M.P.H. So I got two items from her summer collection. I picked up the blush because I really wanted this blush so much. It came with this really nice bag, which is like perfect for traveling since we can travel right now. So this blush, I wanted this so much. When I saw this, I really wanted this. That's why I'm wearing a purple eye makeup today. I'm wearing the N.Y.M.P.H Volume 5. And also, moving on, also picked up the N.Y.M.P Glaze, which is a skin glowing perfector. I have the shade in Aphrodite. I used to remember like goddess names in high school. I used to, but right now, I don't know anymore. So I got two items from the summer collection. So without further ado, let's go get started. So again, as always, I'm looking on my phone right away. So the blush, why am I doing this one? Okay, so the blush, this one retails for $39. This unique carton is really pretty. So they only have one shade of this. So this one $39. It's made in Italy, has a shelf life of 18 months. So it says, take your blush desires to new shimmering dimensions with our super unique blush highlighter blend N.Y.M.P Kiss Glow Blush. It's a silky dual chrome formula that can be used as a blush or a shaded highlighter, warming up your skin with a luminous flash of pink and gold for instant color and shine without chunky and unwanted glitter. This is pretty. That's why I'm wearing purple shadows right now because of this. I'll be applying this one on my lids, and also I'm gonna try to use this as a blush. So let's see. And then I also got the come on, my internet right now is very slow. So and also she came out with N.Y.M.P Body Drip Shimmering Dry Oil. I do not use dry shimmery products like dry oil products, so I passed on that one. Also she came out with like a big body shimmer, and also you can use it for your face, but I decided to pick up the cream. I actually really like cream highlighters. They work better on me than highlighting sticks for some reason. So this one is the N.Y.M.P Glaze, same type of packaging. Kind of reminds me of her glowish unique carton. So this is the N.Y.M.P Glaze, and this is so pretty. So this one retails for $35. Came out with they have three shades, so $35 for three shades. They are expensive. It's Huda, so her products are, you know, expensive on the higher end side. So let's go read the description. N.Y.M.P Skin Glowing Perfector is a multifunctional solid cream skin perfector that instantly boosts radiance for the lit from within effect. Use alone as a pre-makeup base or apply to the high points of your face for natural soft sheen. And you can also use this one. Oh, it says in here it can blur the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles. I don't know about that. All day wear, enriched with hydrating shea butter, vitamin E, and squalene. Has a very silky formula. Okay, so I have the shade Aphrodite, which is like the second shade. So they have Luna, Aphrodite, and Juno. So Aphrodite is a warm and shimmering rose gold suitable for light to medium skin tones, which so I'm gonna show you guys the inside because I have this one is made in, I think her products are made in Italy. I'm trying to see. Yeah, made in Italy, and this one is good for 12 months. This one is a little heavy. I did not expect this one to be heavy. So this is a really nice packaging. Look at this. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheap, although the front part or the whole thing is plastic, but it feels a little heavy. It has some weight to it. And this is the inside, this swirl. I really like this. Ooh, so this one you can use for your face and also for your body if you want to. So this is so nice. I mean, I'm trying to smell. Doesn't smell anything. So I'm gonna, oh my god, apply these products. First, I'm gonna apply the blush. Alright guys, so this is the blush again. Oh, look at the embossment. This is so beautiful, flower rose embossment. I'm gonna swatch this one. Feels like a baked gelée because I watched Michelle Wang's video. I think it was the her favorite baked gelée products, and I think this is a baked gelée product. What do you guys think? This is made in Italy, and this is, oh my god, I'm gonna swatch this again. Look at that shift right there's a pink, it's a little bit of gold and a little bit of purple. It's a really nice duochrome blush. It has a little bit of pink, purple, gold sheen. Oh my god, I'm gonna use my finger to apply this on my lid right now. Wow, I'm not sure if you can see it in camera, but this is so beautiful. Here, very nice, very shimmery, but not chunky, you know. This is really nice, but I feel like this is going to be too chunky, too shimmery as a blush. So let's see, I'm gonna try this one as a blush. Oh my god, I just uh oh my god, I haven't set my under eyes, so they're creasing right now, but oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is pretty. Oh my god, I like this so much. I'm gonna try this one as a blush. I feel like it's gonna be too shimmery. Yeah, it's pretty though as a highlighter. I like this one as a highlighter, not so much as a blush because it's a little too shimmery for me. So let me get another brush, maybe just the brush that I use. So let me get another brush. I'm gonna be using this blush brush, and let's see if that is. Yeah, it's pretty though. I mean, not bad as a blush, but um, looks a little too metallic as a blush. But you know, I mean, it's pretty, but as a blush, I mean, okay, no, yeah, I like this one as a not. I like this one as not as a blush, but as a highlighter and also as a shadow. So it's just too metallic for my liking. Okay, next I'll be using the N.Y.M.P.H Glaze Skin Glowing Perfector. So the shade Aphrodite. I'm gonna use my finger. Yeah, I ruined the swirl already. And this is the shade Aphrodite. Oh, okay. Warm bronzy shade. Very creamy. Okay, so I hope this one's not too dark. So I'm gonna use my finger with this and apply right here. Oh wow, that's nice. Looks really nice and dewy. It melts into my skin right away. I don't see the product. It's a cream um, highlighter. Wow, I like this. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, it's gonna continue with this. I'm not sure you can see the dual chrome in here on my right side. All products are really nice. Nice. So I'm gonna put on false lashes. I have to set my under eyes because they're creasing. Put on lip products, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. So the packaging, so beautiful. A++ on the packaging. I really like the packaging. So the embossment is so beautiful. So I'm gonna talk about this blush because the reason why I purchased this one, because I thought it was a really pigmented, very shimmery blush, but I was wrong. I was completely wrong. So do not expect this one to be a very pigmented shimmer blush. It's very sheer, doesn't have enough pigment. As more like blush topper. Can use this one as highlighter and also as an eyeshadow, but not pigmented enough as a blush. I am light to light medium with neutral undertone, so this one more like blush topper to me. Highlighter and also as eyeshadow. It's very beautiful. I think it's a baked gelée formula, very easy to apply. I thought I just wish it was a pigment, a little bit more pigmented than sheer very metallic blush. So very nice, but don't expect this one as a blush. So next one is the Skin Glowing Perfector. This one I really like. I'm wearing this one on top again of the N.Y.M.P.H cream bronzer in the shade golden tan. This one melted right away. It did not, maybe melted like 3 seconds. As soon as I blend it with my finger, melted into my skin right away, and see that it looks really dewy. This side I am wearing this one, also looks dewy, so both sides look really dewy. Very nice, doesn't feel sticky. It's very thin cream highlighter. I like this one. I actually like cream highlighters more than highlighting sticks. For some reason, cream highlighters work on my skin better than highlighting sticks. I don't know why. So that's why I really like this one. Oh my god, see the dewiness going on even on this side where the blush. This is more like highlighter and eyeshadow and a blush topper. So it still looks really nice. Both sides really nice. I actually really like both products. I just wish this was a little bit more pigmented, This is really beautiful dual chrome product. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And those are all my thoughts about the new products from Huda. Let me know, guys, if you purchase anything from her N.Y.M.P.H collection. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. And thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.